everyone, welcome back to Liz Sews. Today I wanted to share with you guys my May plan. I know I've been a little MIA lately on YouTube, but now that the weather's starting to warm up, the days are getting longer, there's sun, I definitely have a lot more energy and feel much more in the mood to sew. So I'm excited to show you guys what I have planned to sew this month. So the first thing that I want to make up is this really lovely fabric that I got from Minerva Crafts. This is actually a Lady McElroy fabric, so it's the first one I've gotten from Lady McElroy. This is a cotton lawn. It's really soft and very lightweight. However, it's not sheer, which I thought it might be, so I'm really excited to make this up. I have two different patterns that I'm thinking about. I'm not sure which one I want to do yet. So if you guys have an opinion, let me know in the comment section below. The first is a perennial classic, and that is McCall's 6696. I'm sure everybody has made a version of this. I have in my mind that I want to do probably a full skirted version with sleeves using this fabric. The other option I have is doing another McCall's 7387. If I was going to do this, I would do, again, view A. So this is just an oversized sort of tunic shirt with a button placket, so you don't see any of the buttons, they're all invisible. And it has an open back as well. I've made a version of this shirt before in white, and I'll try to pop up an image over here if you guys want to see it. When I first made it, I was like, I'm not too into it, but I've actually worn it quite a lot in the last couple of months. I find it's a really comfortable shirt to wear, so I get a lot of use out of it. So let me know which pattern you think I should use for that fabric, either the dress, shirtwaist dress, or an oversized tunic. The next thing I have to make is McCall's 7925. And I'm planning to make view C. It's a little bit difficult to see. Let me show you the line drawings instead. You can see view C has a three-tiered maxi skirt, and then it also has those flutter sleeves, and then it's completely buttoned down like a shirtwaist dress, though it has no collar. I want to use, I have an optic white stone washed linen that I have coming in to make this dress, and I think a white maxi dress is a really classic thing. I think a lot of wear out of it, I could see a lot of use, but I want to zhuzh it up a little bit. And so what I'm thinking about doing is using some of those decorative stitches that I have in my machine that I've never touched, and maybe doing a contrasting thread, so either red or blue, and sort of going over those different tiers with the stitching, sort of like an old school Scandinavian design. And again, I'll pop up an inspiration picture over here so you get the kind of aesthetic that I'm looking at. But I think having that contrasting thread against the white would be really fun and make a very interesting sort of peasant blouse-esque maxi dress. The next thing I want to do is a Raglan style, like baseball t-shirt. If you watched my haul video last week, you will have already seen these fabrics and know what I'm talking about. So the center of the t-shirt I was going to do in this taupe cactus print, which I really like. And then the sleeves of the baseball style tee will be in this olive green fabric. So I think those go quite well together. I don't have a pattern for this, but I did find a tutorial online how to change like a set-in sleeve to a raglan sleeve. So I'm probably going to be using the Renfrew pattern. I'll pop it up here, and that tutorial to sort of turn it into the shirt that I have in my head. So if I remember, I will try to pop that tutorial down in the description box in case you guys want to learn how to make a raglan shirt as well. And then the last item that I think I'm going to put together for the month of May is something for Mother's Day. As you know, if you watch my channel with any frequency, make a lot of bras, and so I've decided that I want to make my mom a bra. So I have a pattern that I think should work. I think the cup sizes work, but I'm going to have to like do some grading to make the band size the right way that it needs to be, but I'm not going to use like really good fabrics. I'm probably just going to use scraps, so it's going to be kind of a piecemeal bra, but I think this is a good start to making her bra. So I'm going to make it up and send it out to her and see if I can get her to fit it and see, you know, what kind of changes I need to make. But you know, it's kind of difficult since my mom lives so far away and I never get to see her. So I just thought this would be something I could do that I hope she would appreciate, and use some of the skills that I have and share that with other people. So I hope you guys are excited about what I'm planning to make in the month of May, and I will see you guys very soon, hopefully with a lot of different sewing makes completely done. Till next time, take care.